Well, if you guys ever get lucky enough to travel to Vancouver Island, this is one spectacular place. It's just unbelievable. I'm way out here on Esperance Inlet. I don't know. It's over 3/4 of the way up the island. On the Pacific Ocean side. Got a kayak here. Been kayaking the inlet. Miles from nowhere. It's unbelievable. I can get you here real easy in one of our airplanes. We fly de Havilland Beavers on floats, and the company I work for is nwcplanes.com, Northwest Seaplanes, so you got to check it out. It's so freaking cool. We do all kinds of cool adventure stuff.